Kurt Clapier here with Teach Mom How. Thank you so much for joining us today to learn how to edit videos in Premiere. This is the first step. I actually make these videos for my kids because they're learning how to edit right now. And I used to teach this to high school kids as a teacher. For 4 years I taught that. So hopefully I can teach this in a way that you will be able to understand this. I always recommend that you have the software open, you have Premiere open, and I have other videos that teach, if you don't have Premiere, I have other videos that teach you how to edit with free software like iMovie, or there's a really cool software that's similar to Premiere called DaVinci Resolve, and I also have videos on the Teach Mom How channel that teaches you how to use those softwares as well. But Premiere is my favorite one. If you have this is the one I recommend you use. And to get started, first you need to create a project. So the very first step in editing your video in Premiere is you need to open Premiere and create a project in Premiere. Okay, so click on, once you've opened it, you'll land on this screen. You can take tutorials from Premiere themselves if you want to learn, but you also can click New Project and name your project. We are calling this one 24 Hours in the Office. It's a video that my daughter is making for her YouTube channel, Nani Talks. Go check that channel out, subscribe to it. And I click OK.